Hi student, last video we have seen that the different types of line segment, in that parallel line, intersecting line, perpendicular lines, and like that. After that we have already discussed about types of angles, in that acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, and zero angle. Today we will discuss about the polygons. Do you know that polygons are close to dimensional shapes bounded by a straight line is called as a polygon. I will repeat it. A closed two-dimensional, only two-dimensional, remember that two-dimensional shapes bonded by straight lines is called as a polygon. The word polygon comes from Greek word meaning many angles. Do you know that what is the meaning of that polygon? Polygon means many angles. Polygons have some numbers of sides as a number of angles. The numbers of sides and numbers of angles are same. There are two types of polygons. First is regular polygon and second is irregular polygon. So first of all we will discuss about the regular polygon. It has all sides and all angles of equal measures. Remember that regular polygon means that polygons it has all sides and all angles of equal measures, and irregular polygon means that polygons it has at least one sides having different sides as compared to the other, and at least one angle unequal to the others. The following table identify the some polygons. So first is triangle. Triangle. Triangle have three sides. Remember that tri means three. Mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, and deca. This is the types of polygon. Okay. So triangle have three sides. Then quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Do you know that what do you mean by quadra? Quadra means four. The angle, this closed figure which have four sides, that's called as a quadrilateral. Then pentagon. Pentagon means five sides. Then hexagon. Hexagons have six sides. Then heptagon means seven sides. Then octagon. It has eight sides. Then nonogram. It has nine sides, and last one is decagon. Decagon is 10 sides. Okay. So triangle has three sides, quadrilateral four sides, pentagon fifth sides, then hexagon six sides, then heptagon seven, octagon eight, nonagon nine, and decagon 10 sides. All these are the polygons. It's a types of polygons. After that we will discuss about the triangle. Okay, triangle. Triangle means that closed figure which have three sides and three angle. Three sides and three angle. Remember that if we think tri means three, and angle means the angle. The means that closed figure which have three sides and three angles, that's called as a triangle. So there are some types of triangle. First of all we will discuss about the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means that triangles it have all three sides are equal. Equilateral, remember that in that particular word there is a hidden, that is equilateral. equal. Okay, all three sides are equal in length. All three sides are equal in length. Suppose this is x, y and z. Suppose xy is equal to yz is equal to zx. All three sides are equal in length, and that's why we can say that this is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay, so triangle x, y and z is a equilateral triangle. So in this triangle xy is equal to yz is equal to xz or zx. So all three sides are equal in length. Suppose xy is equal to 5 centimeter. So all these other two sides are also of 5 centimeter because of all sides are equal in length. Okay. Then isosceles triangle. Second type is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means that angle it has only two of its sides as equal. In this triangle, out of three sides, there is a two sides are equal. Any two sides or of the triangle will be equal. Okay, we will draw the diagram. Suppose this is A, B and C. So in this triangle, AB is equal to AC. So in triangle ABC, there is a side AB is equal to side AC. Two sides are equal, and that's why we can say that this is the isosceles triangles. Iso means two sides only. This AB equals to AC, and that's why we can say that triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. And third one is scalar triangle. In this triangle, no sides are equal to other side. In this triangle, there is a no equal to other. No sides are equal to other side. Suppose this one is M, N and O. So in this M and O, there is a no sides are equal. No one in its sides to equal other sides. Means suppose Mn is suppose 10 centimeter. So it will be 8 centimeter means different than this MO, and Mn is equal to 5 centimeter. Suppose it's a taking example, Mn is different than No, and No is different than Mo. So all sides are different in length. That's why we can say that this is a scalar triangle. So triangle MNO is a scalar triangle. Okay. So this is the types of triangle. That was the types of triangle based on sides, and now we will discuss about the types of triangle basis on the angle. There is also three types of triangle. First is right angle triangle, then acute angle triangle, and last one is obtuse angle triangle. In that word there is a some hidden hints. So first of all we will discuss about the right angle triangle. So right angle triangle. So in this angle, one angle of this triangle is a right angle. Suppose this is x, y and z. If we measure this y, it should be a 90 degree. Suppose 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So this is a 90. Okay, we can check it. Okay, this is a 90 degree. So angle x, y and z, that is 90 degree, and that's why we can say that this is a right angle triangle, because of one angle of this triangle is a right angle, means if we measure it, it must be a 90 degree. That's why we can say that this is a right angle triangle. Then acute angle triangle. This one is first right angle, second is acute angle. Triangle. In this triangle, all three angles of this triangle are acute angles. Remember that all three angles of this triangle are acute angle. In this right angle, one of its angle is a right angle, but in acute angle, all three angles of this triangle are acute angle. So we will draw the diagram. Suppose this is A, B and C. If we measure this angle A, angle B and C, all are acute angle. Suppose angle ABC, angle BCA and angle CAB. All three angles are acute angle, means less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree, and that's why we can say that this is ABC, and triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle. Angle A, angle B and angle C, if we measured, it must be less than 90 degree. That's why we can say that this is a acute angle triangle. And last one is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. In this triangle, one of its three angles is an obtuse angle. There is a three angle of this triangle. Okay, every triangle has a three angle. Suppose, okay, so this is M, N and O. If we measure this N, because of there is a requirement, only one angle of this triangle is a obtuse, means more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, and that's why we can say that this is a obtuse angle triangle. If we measure this N, this is more than 90 degree. We will measure it. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. 100 and 110. So 110. This is a angle MNO is 110 degree. This is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That's why we can say that this is MNO is a obtuse angle triangle. So this is a types of triangle based on angle. Previous types was based on side. In that, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalar triangle. That's the types of triangle based on sides. But this is a types of triangle based on angles. That is right angle triangle. In this angle, there is a 90-degree. Then acute angle triangle. All three angles are acute angle and obtuse angle triangle. There is a one angle more than 90-degree. That's why it's a obtuse angle. So there is a types of triangle based on angles. So today we have discussed here polygons. In that polygon, regular polygon and irregular polygon. After that, types of triangle based on sides. In that, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalar triangle. And last one is types of triangle based on angle. That is right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. And student, I hope that you have understood better. Goodbye. Thank you.